one of my earlier videos, I had spoken about homeschooling my daughter for a couple of years and then later also enrolling her in a Waldorf school. Well, after that I got a few queries about reviews for both these methodologies, and I have to say that both of these aren't really meant for everyone. Now when it comes to homeschooling, the problem that happens is India as a society is perhaps not that mature, especially if you are living in a tier 2 city. So metros में ये culture है थोड़ा बहुत, तो वहाँ पे उतना problem नहीं आता है. But I live in Nagpur and here we definitely faced a lot of issues because there isn't much awareness for a concept like this. Even the peer community wasn't really big enough that you could do a lot of activities within that group. The other major challenge here is if you're homeschooling your child, it would typically mean that one parent, and always it's going to be the mother, who would have to sacrifice her job and focus on the child entirely. So for those who are sure that raising their kids in a certain way is more important than their career, it's definitely a good choice. So for those who are sure of what they are doing, absolutely go for it. But there are a lot of people who tend to be on the fences, and that is where I would say you might have to check your peer group before you make that decision. And then coming to the Waldorf methodology, now a lot of it is play based, so they don't focus a lot on reading and writing in the initial year. So by that I just mean the kindergarten. First onwards, even those kids do start writing, so that's not exactly an issue. However, the focus here tends to be more on experiential learning, applications rather than just the theory. So while it sounds good on paper, if you want to continue education for your child in India and आगे जाके उनको JEE and NEET ये सब देना है, so it might actually be better that you go with your usual state board or the CBSE board and continue with the normal. I mean, there's nothing wrong in being normal here, so you can continue with those schools as well. Share this video with someone who is confused about which school they should be checking for their little one.